Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the waste management. So how we will do that waste management means what are the water waste management, yes? Okay, but in the last video already we have discussed about that. What is that waste water treatment plant? How that step by step, how we will do that wastewater to treatment already we have learned. Okay, so friends, today we are going to discuss about that housing practice. Means in our day to day life, whatever that foods we are getting, whatever the day to day life, what other things we are using, so that how can we will make one proper place, how can we conserve or how we will use or dispose of, that we are going to discuss in this video. So okay friends, so you know that very well friends, our if you compare to that all people in the world, that Indian people those are eating that foods item, that especially it is contains more fats and oils. Okay, so how whenever that balance of that foods we are waste or waste of that foods, that means balance after that taking that foods, if we remain balance of that foods, we are throwing to that drain or we are throwing to that dustbin, and as usual we are not taking proper care about how we are wasting or disposal about the foods. So students, because that whenever we are throwing to the dustbin or whenever we are sinking into the drain, at that time what will happen, that through the pipes it will be stagnant, and whenever it contains that water oils and fats, and day by day what will happen, it will become very strong, and that oils, all the fats will become strong and it will stagnate that all pipes, and which one will make that we clearly very freely cannot pass that water, and at last it will make that a problem for us, and waste product it will be, waste things it will be stopped there. So before that which one, how that we have to throw, and if it is oil foods or types of things we have to keep away, and one dustbin you can use, and that generally we have to think which way you will use. If it is paper pots or other things, how can we will throw, and that too you have to make one practice. That is why it is called as a housekeeping practice. Okay, so let us discuss about that. What is that? Better housekeeping practice. Better housekeeping practices should be followed few way. If you are house inside, if you how like we are using that foods items or other things, how we will throw, how we will dispose about that, then if you follow these conditions, some follow it is given, and you must be follow that. Food, especially Indian food, contains a lot of fats and oils, so the leftover food items should not throw down to the drain, because they can choke the pipes when they are hardened. So you in Indian foods, whatever that we are eating, that a lot of what is there, fats are there and oils are there, which are leftover the food, balance food we are throwing to the drain. At that time what will happen, it will stagnate, it will be block that pipes. That means it is a drain, because they can choke means it will be obstruct the pipes. Therefore such waste should not throw the dustbin only. Therefore such waste should throw in the dustbin only. That if balance food is there, leftover food is there, that should keep in the dustbin inside. Okay, the solid waste such as used to tea leaves, food remains, plastic bags, soft ties, cotton, sanitary towels should not throw down the drain. Such waste block the drain also. If it is a polythene bags or plastic bags of some toys or that anything we are throwing that drainage, don't throw that to the all the waste things to the drainage. If you throw that drain, then what will happen, it will block over in, and then water will stagnate, then water that contaminates it will form, bacteria it will form, that different microorganisms it will create, and which one flies also it will be create insects, and that it will come to us, and our environment will become polluted, which way we will face that so many severe problems, that like disease like cholera, malaria, typhoid, dengue, such disease also we will face due to this problem. Okay, now we discuss about that various chemical product also. Third one is various chemical products such as medicine, motor oils, paints, grease, machine oils, insecticides may kill the water, purifying the microorganisms, and harmful for the degradation of the process. So whenever it will kill that all that microorganisms, if it is chemical substance are there, painting is there, some other chemical things are there, which are kill that water purifying microorganisms. Some microorganisms, aerobic microorganisms which one we are applying in that last stage, clarify water at the time last stage when we are applying that, at that time what happening, it is purifying that water. But if they will kill that first, if you kill that microorganisms, in the finally we cannot get that microorganisms, so we will face that problems and we cannot clarify that water or purify. Okay students, so these are main points and you have to remember that, especially how to use that our waste product, how to dispose of that waste product what we are in daily life we are using. Okay students, this is whole about the students waste water that management or waste management. So I hope you have understood about that, how we should do waste things, how to manage or how to special water that we are depending upon the water nowadays, that scarcity of water is going on. So how to manage that things all we have studied in this chapter, and I hope you have understand and it has finished that your total syllabus, and we have to get ready for that our term 2 exams. So for 5th date, April 5th, you have to write, you have to appear your science exam. So wish you all the best for that exam. You should read that question properly and answer key with you, answer sheet with you, you have to write it. Okay students, if in between that before I will send that all that exercise question answer part of that objectives, all that I will discuss. And if you have doubt anything, please you should contact me and send me your opinion and inform to me what is you are facing problems. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day, and we will see in the next academic year and for coming next upcoming that academic. Okay students, thank you all of you. Wish you all the best.